organism. When we think of life, we know what is life. It's from birth of the organism to death. So this is called lifespan, the period from birth to the natural death of an organism is its lifespan. Different organisms have different lifespan. Some have short, some have big. For example, banyan tree lifespan is 200 years, rose 5 to 7 years, butterfly 1 to 2 weeks, fruit fly 30 days, and many others. So we can say that no individual is immortal. Immortal means amar. Everyone is mortal means they have to die someday, except single-celled organism. Single cell means unicellular organisms are exception. We can say they never die. Why? So it's an important question. Why can we say that there is no natural death in single cell organisms? As we know, unicellular organisms undergo binary fission, during which the parental cell divides and gets converted into its two new daughter cells. When the daughter cells are formed, if we want to see where is the parent cell, it's not there. So after division, the original parent cell doesn't exist, but also it has not died. So we can say there is no natural death in single cell organisms, right? Now, what is reproduction? You all already know reproduction is a process. It's a biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones similar to itself. Okay. Types of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction, asexual and sexual. What is the difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction? The first main difference is asexual reproduction. There is only single parent involved. In sexual reproduction, we have two parents that are of opposite sex. In single parents, asexual reproduction, gamete formation may or may not occur. But in sexual reproduction, we need gametes of both the sexes which will fuse. So fusion of gametes is a must in sexual reproduction but not in asexual reproduction. And the last is offsprings. If we see the genetics, genes, physical, morphologically, all the offsprings are identical with the parent and also to each other, exactly similar. But in sexual reproduction, offsprings are not similar to parents. There is some variations. Also, offsprings are also have variety with each other. They are not similar.